Viewers, amid raging face-off over voter roll revision in Bihar, RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav made a sensational claim. He claimed that his name was not in the voter list. Mocking the Election Commission, Tejasvi Yadav said that how will he contest the upcoming assembly elections when his name doesn't feature in the voter list? The claim, however, has backfired, with poll body fact-checking the RJD leader. But first up, let's listen in to what Tejasvi Yadav had claimed.
ये एप्लीकेशन है, मेरा भी नहीं है. हम चुनाव कैसे लड़ेंगे? अभी तो देखिए, ये चुनाव आयोग का एप्लीकेशन है और मेरा ईपीआईसी नंबर हमने इसमें डाला है. ईपीआईसी नंबर अगर आप चाहें तो हम बता भी दें. RAB 29161220 इसमें कैप्चा आता है. हाँ, अच्छा आ रहा है. अब हम डालते हैं कि
And viewers, sources have told Times Now that Tejasvi's name is in fact in the voter list. That is what we can tell you right now, because this claim was made by Tejasvi Yadav, and now sources have told Times Now that Tejasvi Yadav's name is in the voter list, but the EPIC number, in fact, which Tejasvi was using to check his name has changed. Tejasvi Yadav's claim has been denied by the Election Commission as well. Poll body called Tejasvi's claim mischievous, while clarifying that his name is listed at serial number 416 in the draft electoral roll. The Election Commission rejected Tejasvi's claim as false and factually incorrect. And viewers, now Patna DM has also fact-checked Tejasvi Yadav. The district magistrate states that the district administration conducted an investigation. Tejasvi's name was found in the draft voter list. The district administration, in fact, carried out a thorough investigation. LOP's name is recorded at polling station number 204, and Tejasvi's name is mentioned at serial number 416. Earlier, his name was at polling station number 171 with the serial number of 481. So these numbers have changed. Perhaps that's the reason why he could not find his name in the list which he was looking at. Let's listen in to this reaction from Patna DM.
देखिए, माननीय नेता प्रतिपक्ष का नाम बिल्कुल है. एक तो नाम नहीं रहने की दावा बिल्कुल गलत है. जिस बूथ में वो वोट करते थे उसी बूथ पर अभी भी उनका नाम कायम है और सभी लोग सार्वजनिक तौर पर हैं, सभी लोग देख सकते हैं. दूसरा, जो एपिक नंबर के बारे में वो कह रहे हैं, जो एपिक नंबर हमारा पास उपलब्ध है, जो गहन पुनरीक्षण के पहले उनके नाम के साथ जुड़ा हुआ एपिक नंबर, वो एपिक नंबर उनके द्वारा भी सेम एपिक नंबर को 2020 के विधानसभा चुनाव में समर्पित किया गया.
Let's go across to my colleague Tejri joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Tejri, we just heard this reaction coming in from Patna DM, who's saying that the same EPIC number was there the last time as well. So on what basis has Tejri, in fact Tejasvi Yadav claimed that he couldn't find his name in the list?
Well, absolutely. Once again, the officials have fact-checked the claims made by Tejasvi Yadav. Remember that what Tejasvi Yadav said. Tejasvi Yadav said that his name from the voter list has been cut, and that's why, in fact, he also directly targeted on the special intensive revision that's being carried out in the state of Bihar. And if in fact mentioned that if my name is being cut, then you can imagine that what could be the condition in the entire state of Bihar. People who in fact do not have basic documents, their names will be cut off from the voter list. He was trying to in fact create a kind of panic and unrest in this situation. But now in fact the officials have fact-checked him. Patna DM has just spoken and we just heard him what he said. He mentioned that his name is there, and in fact now documents are also out all over social media where the documents also show that his name is there in the voter list. His name is not being deleted. But you see, as far as this entire controversy is concerned, now we will have to see that how Tejasvi Yadav reacts to it, what he has to say on this matter, because he very confidently claimed that his name has been, deleted or not there in the voter list. But now what next? After the officials themselves are providing a fact, providing a proof, providing evidence that this is your that the name is there. Just the booth is changed, but this is the name that's been mentioned, along with the details, in fact, along with the number as well, as you were rightly mentioning, that what number, which year, when he voted, where he voted, all the details have been mentioned. And there is no such claim that's substantiated or in fact true to our knowledge that his name is not mentioned in the voter list, is what the officials goes on to say. So now we'll have to see that how Tejasvi Yadav particularly reacts to the matter and what happens next as far as this entire controversy is concerned. And we have been also seeing that as far as the special intensive revision is concerned, you know, not only just officials, but you see the Election Commission is also time and again fact-checking the opposition leaders as well, who are continuously attacking the process of the special intensive revision and are making claims that the forms are not out or the forms are not given to the opposition parties. In the latest, we saw that Priyanka Gandhi also made one such claim, where in fact the Election Commission also fact-checked her, and now again, in fact, now Election Commission has also fact-checked Tejasvi Yadav as well. So this special intensive revision will be completed in the month of September, just ahead of the Bihar Assembly elections. There is where, you know, the opposition is questioning the timing of the SIR, that why it's being carried out at this point of time. Back to you.
Right. In fact, Tejasvi, we are getting a reaction from Amit Malviya of the Bharatiya Janata Party as well. He's put out a long post as well, calling it a deliberate attempt to mislead the voters. Now, that's a valid point, isn't it? Because this is going to create doubts in the minds of other voters as well.
Well, absolutely. And in fact, you know, this the kind of misinformation or the panic that's being spread, that also has been clarified by the Election Commission earlier as well, that the people of Bihar should not pay attention to the rumors or the misinformation that's been spread, because they have also, in fact, you know, deputed several BLOs and the local level officers as well over there, and the several booths in several areas, so that people can come and cross-check their documents, can verify their documents, and even if in the first primary list their names are not present, then there will again be the second round, where they have still a chance to give all the documents, present the facts, and the officials will themselves be going and checking to the residents, will be speaking to their neighbors also. So this is an entire extensive process that's being carried out, you know. On one hand, if we see, you know, that already the primary list, if we see, that is already out, the draft roll is out, the final roll is yet to be out. So, you know, if the data which was out, we saw that how, in fact, it mentioned that more than 20 lakh people were deceased voters. So that is why it was very much important for the Election Commission to carry out SIR. There were more than 25 lakhs people who have already left that place, who migrated from that area and are voting somewhere else. So why should such people be included in the voter list? And in fact, Election Commission also mentioned that Election Commission is a very responsible body, constitutional body, and will in fact, you know, keep in mind that no such voter is added in the list who is not an eligible voter, and even if in fact not a voter who has a right to vote will not be deleted from the voter list, because an extensive, thorough, correct process is being carried out through SIR.
Right. Tejasvi, request you to stay on with us. We have Nikhil Anand of the BJP joining us on the phone line as well. Good afternoon. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. How will you like to respond to this latest controversy we are seeing emerging from Bihar, with Tejasvi Yadav, a very senior RJD leader, claiming first that his name has been deleted from the electoral roll? He held a press conference as well. Later, ECI fact-checked him, saying his name is very much there. In fact, Patna DM also came on record saying that his name is there and all the details are there.
I don't know why Tejasvi Yadav is just making a mockery of himself, and he's just following his senior coalition leader Rahul Gandhi. Unnecessarily, he is creating propaganda, trying to malign the image of Election Commission of India and all the credible institutions. And Tejasvi Yadav should apologize for alleging ECI that his name has been omitted. Now, I want to request Tejasvi Yadav that when his name is already there in the voter list, there is no need to worry, and nobody is just stopping him to contest election. and when his name is already there, he is free to contest election. So unnecessarily he is trying to create a fear psychosis among the masses of Bihar and wants to take undue advantage. And not only he just giving the example of his name is omitted. He wants to pass message to his voters, especially the minority voters.
Okay.
And so many wrong names which has been included in the process since 2003, and that name has been found out and omitted from the voters list in the Simanchal area.
Right. All right, Mr. Nikhil Anand. Yes, thank you very much, Mr. Nikhil Anand. Appreciate you joining us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. So clearly, BJP is of the view this is a deliberate attempt to spread misinformation, to create fear in the minds of the people. Now, why is all this happening? Remember, since the beginning of this particular exercise, when EC began this exercise of voter list revision in Bihar, the opposition has been up in arms. And on Friday, the Election Commission of India came out with the much anticipated draft electoral rolls in Bihar, enlisting 7.24 crore voters. But there were 65 lakh names that were missing, and according to ECI, most of these people have either died or have migrated to other constituencies. Now, this morning, of course, we got this latest reaction from Tejasvi Yadav, and after he was fact-checked by the Election Commission of India, listen in to what he said.
ये एप्लीकेशन है, मेरा भी नहीं है। हम चुनाव कैसे लड़ेंगे? अभी तो देखिए, ये चुनाव आयोग का एप्लीकेशन है और मेरा ईपीआईसी नंबर हमने इसमें डाला है। ईपीआईसी नंबर अगर आप चाहें तो हम बता भी दें। RAB29162120 इसमें कैप्चा आता है। हाँ, आचार है। अब हम डालते हैं कि ईपीआईसी नंबर मिलता है कि नहीं मिलता है? वोटर वाला होता है। तो आज हम ईपीआईसी नंबर ऑनलाइन चेक कर रहे थे तो उसमें तेजस्वी का वोटर लिस्ट से नाम नहीं। अभी हंगामा हो रहा है। फिर जब हंगामा होने लगा तो चुनाव ये कहते नहीं, नाम है, लेकिन जो मेरा वोटर आईडी में जो ईपीआईसी नंबर है वो ईपीआईसी नंबर नहीं है, दूसरा ईपीआईसी नंबर हो गया। ईपीआईसी नंबर बदलता नहीं है। ईपीआईसी नंबर तभी बदलता है जब आप अपना नाम कटवा करके दूसरे राज्य में अगर जुड़वाइएगा अपना नाम वोटर लिस्ट में, तब जाकर के ईपीआईसी नंबर जो है बदलता है। तो आज सवाल खड़ा हो गया कि हमारे साथ जब ऐसा हो सकता है, आईएएस अफसरों का भी नाम कट गया, उनकी बीवी का भी नाम कट गया। बड़ा साजिश है ये।
So this is what Tejasvi Yadav had to say. Let's now go across to Mrityunjay Tiwari of the RJD, who is joining us on the broadcast as well. Good afternoon. हमसे बात करने के लिए बहुत शुक्रिया। सवाल एक ये खड़ा होता है कि जब ऑलरेडी तेजस्वी यादव का नाम है ड्राफ्ट इलेक्टोरल रोल्स में, तो फिर ये क्यों कहा जा रहा है तेजस्वी यादव के द्वारा कि उनका नाम ही मिसिंग है?
उन्होंने तो तथ्यों के साथ, प्रमाण के साथ इस बात को दिखाकर संवाददाता सम्मेलन में सभी लोगों के सामने तेजस्वी जी ने कहा, अगर चुनाव